Hi, I'm Chandrasekhar from L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad, and we are here to, discuss about the proximity of Moosapet Metro Station and the entire assignment that Freedom Oil has taken up for this Moosapet Metro Station naming rights. Moosapet's proximity with the densely populated residential areas makes it an ideal platform for Freedom Oil to come across on board as a station naming partner. And this is India's number one preferred brand. And as we know that this kind of advertising, which is a strategic tie-up with metro commuters, and metro commuters are using metro as a frequent travel from residence to work or work to residence. So this becomes a hugely populated scheme of things when it comes to branding, and that's how Freedom Oil has come forward. And this is the first brand from consumer durable category that has come on board and taken up this kind of a strategic tie-up with L&T Metro Rail. And we are also very happy with this kind of a strategic tie-up with L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad. And Moosapet is just a beginning of this association, and we are confident that we have about 57 metro stations, out of which 13 metro stations have already tied up with naming rights. And this is a first step forward that we have taken, and more to come in near future. And we are hopeful that Freedom Oil is just a beginning, and we'll have more stronger brands in our kitty very soon.